Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're at Prime African Estate, your home for the best property tours in Kenya. So today we're exploring a 1-bedroom plus apartment in Syokimau, which is just a few minutes away from Gateway Mall and comes at a cost of 5.8 million Kenyan shillings. From the entrance, the bright inviting living space unfolds. The large windows flood the room with natural light, making the whole space feel open and airy. This lounge setup features a cozy 5-seater couch and a coffee table. The TV wall is neatly fitted with cabinetry, making the space modern, clean, and functional. Just next to the entrance, there's a cozy 4-seater dining area. This is the kind of spot where family moments happens. Above it, a neat wall shelves bring a personal touch that's perfect for flowers, pictures, or little decor pieces that makes the space feel like home. Next up, we're having the kitchen. It's compact but efficiently laid out with plenty of storage in both the upper and lower cabinets. Through the kitchen, you find a small laundry area fitted with a sink, power sockets, and a provision for a washing machine. It's simple, practical, and handy for everyday living. From here, you can even glimpse neighboring block, showing a well-planned layout for the community. As we head back, you can spot the cooker space with an extractor hood just above it. Moving ahead, we come to the bathroom. It's neatly finished with a wall-mounted sink, a mirror, water closet, and a glass-enclosed shower cubicle. It's bright, functional, and well-designed. Next, we explore a plus room which is set perfectly for kids' bedroom. It has 2 single beds sitting side by side and a big window keeping the space light and breezy. There's a cute study area with a small desk and twin chairs just right for homeworks or crafts. Above it, there's a neatly mounted shelves for books or decorations. It has a well-built-in wardrobes that complete the space, offering an ample storage for the little ones. Right ahead is the main bedroom. It's simple and spacious. It has the large windows that flood in the natural light, and it comfortably fits a full-size bed and bedside lamps. These built-in wardrobes that are well fitted into the wall stand tall and spacious. It's a calm retreat that balances comfort and modern living. This apartment measures roughly 72 square meters, compact yet spacious enough for a small family. Here, you'll enjoy community amenities like a gym, pool, clubhouse, and 24-hour security, making it an amazing investment and worth the 5.8 million Kenyan shillings. If you'd love a private viewing of this home, WhatsApp or call us today and experience it for yourself. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and follow. Your dream home might be closer than you think.